Burping your baby. During a breastfeed, you may need to stop and burp your baby. Remember, all babies are different. Some will need your help to burp, while others may not. You can start by breaking the latch to comfortably take your baby off of your breast. Next, sit your baby upright in your lap and use one of your hands to support your baby's chest, and the other one to gently pat your baby's back. Sometimes gas can be difficult to get out, so you may also want to try to move your baby in a circular motion while still sitting upright on your lap. Remember, you can burp your baby by comfortably breaking your baby's latch, sitting your baby in an upright position, supporting your baby with one hand while gently patting or rubbing your baby's back with the other.